So in today's video we will be looking at how to attempt the mirror images question type in the 11+. As the name suggests, the aim of these questions is to work out which of the given options mirrors the original image. Let's look at question 1. Here we have a hexagon with a small black loop in the bottom left. If we were to flip that in a vertical mirror as this is, we would get a small black loop in the bottom right of the shape, as we see in not A or B or C but D. And the reason it doesn't go to the top right like E, which is the complete opposite of the bottom left, is because it's a vertical mirror, not a diagonal. And A is incorrect as well because that's the shape exactly. And finally, B is also incorrect because it's not a horizontal mirror, it's a vertical mirror. So we have to remember that it will always be a vertical mirror unless the question states otherwise. Here we have a weird shape that has two curved sides and two straight sides. The straight sides are perpendicular to the mirror, so we can imagine them meeting the mirror at a right angle, meaning we know it's not B or D. Also, the black circle is as far away from the mirror as possible without being outside the shape, so like it is in A and C. As in E, it could still be moved to here. Finally, we can see that the pointy sides are facing towards the mirror. However, in A, they're facing away. So the answer is C, because if the pointy sides are facing towards the mirror, and the lines are perpendicular to the mirror, and also the black dot is as far away from the mirror without being outside the shape. Let's look at question 3 now. Here we have a rectangle, and this rectangle has a line that separates the top third from the bottom 2/3. However, in A and D, this line separates the bottom third from the top 2/3, so we know it cannot be them. Next, we have a diagonal line that starts close to the mirror and then goes to the corner furthest away from the mirror. This is the same in C and E, so we know it's not B. Finally, the circles, which are the only difference between C and E, have to be positioned so that black is closer to the mirror and white is further away, as it is in C. Let's look at question 4 now. Here we have a square, which is common in all of them, with a grey hexagon above a vertically dashed oval. This is only true in E, because in A the grey hexagon is below the oval. In B they are level, in C they are also level, and in E there's no grey hexagon, it's also vertically dashed. Therefore D is our answer. Let's look at question 5 now. Now that we've had some practice, you can pause the video and attempt the question yourself before resuming to see if you are correct. Here we can see that the point of the triangle is the top, and if we're flipping it in a vertical mirror, we know that it will stay in the top after the flip, so we know that it's not A or C. And finally, the only difference between B, D, and E is the way the triangle in the middle is oriented. In the original image, the triangle is pointing towards the mirror. In B, it's pointing away. In D, it is pointing up to the bottom left and to the bottom right. And in E, it is pointing towards the mirror. So the answer is E. Finally, here's a question for you to try yourself. Pause the video and attempt the question. When you think you have the answer, leave it down below in the comments and I'll tell you if you're correct. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe for more videos.